Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Fatima Sarah binti Kamar Zaman. I am from BA 2434A. So today I am going to share with you on how to use the basic functions of SUM, SUMIF, and SUMIFS in Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have the SUM function. So SUM function is used to add all numbers in a range of cells. For example here, if you want to sum up all these prices, so you just have to use the SUM formula and then select all the prices that you want to sum up, and then you press enter, and then Excel will generate the answer for you. For the next one, we have SUMIF function. So SUMIF function is used to add all numbers in a range of cells based on one criteria. For example, how many awards has School C won? So there's only one criteria in this question, which is School C. So you use the SUMIF formula, and then you insert the range, which refers to the schools, and then you insert the criteria, which is School C, and then you insert the sum range, which refers to the amount of awards. For the next one, we have SUMIFS function. So SUMIFS function is used to add all numbers in a range of cells based on multiple criteria. For example, total units sold from North region after 31st December 2011. So there are two criteria in this question, which are North region and also after 31st December 2011. So since there is more than one criteria, that's why we have to use the SUMIFS formula. So you just have to insert the sum range, which refers to the units, and then we have to insert the criteria range 1, which refers to the region, and then criteria 1 refers to North, and then for criteria range 2 refers to the dates, and then for criteria 2, you just insert after 31st December 2011. So now let's do some exercise together, shall we? So as you can see here, I have the data for sales transaction July 2018. So let's first do a question for SUM function. So now let's find the total amount of sales for July 2018. So since this is already the data for sales transaction July 2018, so you just have to sum up all the amount of sales. So in order to do that, you just have to insert the equal sign and then type SUM, and then double click SUM, and then just select all the amount of sales. So in order to select all, you just have to press Ctrl Shift and down arrow, and then you press enter. So you will get the answer for total amount of sales for July 2018. Next, for SUMIF function, let's find the total amount of sales for bawal product. So as you can see here, we have only one criteria, which is bawal product. So since there is only one criteria, so we use the SUMIF function. What you gotta do is just insert the equal sign and then type SUMIF, and then double click SUMIF, and then you can just refer here to know what information you have to insert. Okay, for the first one, you have to insert the range. So since we want to find the total amount of sales for bawal product, the range of the criteria refers to the product. So just select all for product, Ctrl Shift, down arrow, and then you put comma, and then insert the criteria, which refers to bawal. So just select bawal, and then put comma, and then insert the sum range, which refers to the total amount of sales. So just select all the amount of sales, so Ctrl Shift, down arrow, and then press enter. So you will get the answer for total amount of sales for bawal products. Okay, now let us move on with SUMIFS function. Now we want to find the total amount of sales through social media with credit card payment. So there are two criteria in this question, which are social media and also the credit card payment. Since there is more than one criteria, so we have to use the SUMIFS function. So just insert the equal sign and then type SUMIFS, and then double click and then refer here. So the first one, you have to insert the sum range, which refers to the total amount of sales. So just select all the amount of sales, Ctrl Shift, down arrow, and then put comma, and then for criteria range 1, since social media falls under the source, so our range will be source. So just select all for source, Ctrl Shift, down arrow, and then put comma, and then insert the criteria 1, which is social media. Select social media, and then put comma, and then for criteria range 2 refers to the payment. So select all for payment, Ctrl Shift, down arrow, and then put comma, and then insert the criteria 2, which is credit card. So just select credit card and press enter. So you will get the answer for total amount of sales through social media with credit card payment. So that's basically everything for sum, SUMIF, and SUMIFS function. So I really hope that this video is useful for you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!